TechWise Academy.
In today's fast-paced business environment, managers and business professionals need real-time access to accurate and relevant information to make quick decisions. This is where the Management Information System comes into play. A management information system provides businesses with a competitive advantage by giving managers the insights they need to make informed decisions. In this video, we will be covering what a management information system is, why it is important, what are its main functions, and so much more. So stay tuned till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before starting this video, I just want to tell you that if you are new here, do subscribe for upcoming videos. And also don't forget to like the video. So let's begin. A management information system, or MIS for short, is an integrated system designed to collect, process, and present relevant information to managers within an organization. The information provided by the MIS helps managers at all levels to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and stay ahead of the competition. The main components of a management information system include hardware, software, data, and human resources. Hardware refers to the physical components of the system, such as computers, servers, and networks. Software includes the programs and applications that run on the hardware and manage the flow of information. Data is the raw material of the system and can include information from internal sources, such as sales records, or external sources, such as market research reports. Human resources are the people who operate and maintain the system, as well as the users who access and utilize the information provided. The importance of a management information system in today's business environment cannot be overstated. In today's highly competitive and fast-paced business environment, companies must be able to adapt quickly to changes in the market. A management information system provides businesses with a crucial edge by giving managers access to real-time information. This allows them to make timely and informed decisions that can help the company stay ahead of the competition. One of the key benefits of a management information system is that it helps managers to make better decisions. By providing access to accurate and up-to-date information, managers can evaluate the performance of different departments, identify areas for improvement, and develop more effective strategies. Another important function of a management information system is to improve efficiency. By automating routine tasks and providing managers with the information they need to make decisions quickly, a management information system can help organizations to operate more efficiently and reduce waste. Apart from these two main functions, a management information system also helps in monitoring performance, facilitating communication and collaboration, supporting strategic planning, and helping in risk management. There are various types of management information systems, each serving a specific purpose and catering to the needs of different organizations. Some of the most common types of MIS include enterprise resource planning systems, customer relationship management systems, supply chain management systems, and knowledge management systems. An enterprise resource planning system is a type of MIS that helps organizations to manage their core business processes such as finance, human resources, and supply chain management. Customer relationship management systems, on the other hand, focus on managing interactions with customers, including sales, marketing, and customer service. Supply chain management systems help organizations to optimize their supply chains, while knowledge management systems focus on capturing and sharing knowledge within an organization. In conclusion, a management information system is an essential tool for any organization looking to stay competitive in today's business environment. By providing managers with the information they need to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and stay ahead of the competition, a management information system can help organizations of all sizes to succeed. Whether it is an entrepreneur running a small business or a large corporation, implementing an effective management information system can provide numerous benefits and help to drive business success. So this was all about the management information system. We hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, do hit the like button and subscribe for upcoming videos. Also, you can comment down your reviews and feedback. Thanks for watching.